Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am here in the YouTube studio taking some pictures of some the beginner weaving kit. So I'm putting out a few different color palettes. If you're watching this on Sunday, they would have gone live on Friday. So anyway, I just thought I would let you hang out with me while I take some photos. I feel like this is crooked. It's been a really busy day, but not with work. You ever have those days where it's just like the day is gone and you're just like, what did I even do? But anyway, I'm gonna keep taking pictures because I feel like I'm already behind. So I know you guys can't see it, but I have this reflector here. I have, let's see, I'll just turn you so you can see. I've got this huge light here. I have, doesn't want to go this way. I have this big light over here. And then I have our other camera. I've told you guys this before, but we've got this arm on the ceiling and it is holding the other camera so that we can take perfect top down for all the tutorials, and then it comes in really handy for taking pictures as well. And then, best thing ever, I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a plug-in shutter and timer essentially, so I don't have to crawl up there every time on a chair to take my photos. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, now you can see the whole setup. I didn't even think of that. Just pretend that mess isn't there. Another thing that I'm getting ready for the shop, which again, when you're seeing this will already be live, is I'm putting some more of these little warp string spools together. These are 25 yards each. And I'm really glad I did this because it's such a great way to like try out this type of, ignore my phone. These are such a great way to try out some warp string before you buy a whole spool, or maybe you're only working on a few small projects at a time. This is probably good for 1 or 2 small projects. But anyway, I'm bringing in some new colors and it's these 2 colors. So I have this really beautiful like blush pink, if it'll focus on there. And then I also have this like really soft grayish green, I would say. It's just like a soft, let's see if it'll focus now. Come on now. You're supposed to be better than this. And then the other 6 colors will also still be available. So anyway, it's a nice way to like maybe buy a few colors at a time without buying an entire spool. It's great for, I mean, if you're weaving like little bracelets or something, like these are really great for that. Yeah, they've just gone over really well, so I thought I would add some colors. Oh. Well, you guys, it's been a very busy week again. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I was taking pictures. And if you haven't checked out the shop update, definitely do so. I'll throw up some pictures here to show you what's new. We have like 12 new velvet colors, new color palettes for the beginner's weaving kit. So if you haven't checked those things out, definitely click in the link in the description box to check out the shop, where you can just search Spruce and Linen, all one extended word, on Etsy, and you can find me there. Yeah, I'm excited about the new products we have in there. It's always a lot of work to get a lot of Etsy listings up, I find, but yeah, definitely check it out. It is Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada, so happy Canadian Thanksgiving to all of us. So we are just hanging out. I'm not gonna lie to you. I spent most of today searching for ideas for the next tutorial, and you know what? Sometimes I draw blank, and I guess all I want to say is, if you're feeling that way, I'm sure someone needs to hear this, that when you're feeling uninspired, it's okay. And sometimes you just have to push forward, and sometimes you have to know when to just be like, give yourself a break. So today I'm giving myself a break, well, for the rest of the day. I spent the whole day looking, and I don't know. I always have a high expectation for giving you guys really good tutorials, and so when I'm really feeling resistance, sometimes I know I need to just step back and take a break, because it's probably just because I'm tired. So I'm gonna take a little break, probably for tomorrow too, and get back on this on Monday and get a new tutorial going for you. So if you guys have any requests, always let me know in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.